Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and this week on 957 Brotherhood, we're going to teach you how to replace your cabin filter inside your Porsche Cayenne. So, something you should do every 2 years. So with that, let's shut up and stop talking. Let's get to wrenching on this week's episode. Alright guys, replacing the cabin air filter inside your Porsche Cayenne, pretty simple to do. Don't pay a shop to do this for you. Do it yourself. You can buy the filters on Amazon. There's a link down below. Yes, you'll make me a nickel if you buy one of these filters, but it's a Bosch filter. It's a great filter. And it's easy to do in your garage in your spare time. So let's get into the DIY on how to take care of this. Let's go. Hey guys, it's Brian from the Cayenne Brotherhood. If you want to help support the channel and see more content on keeping your Porsche Cayenne alive for a long time, make sure to check out our shirts. There's a link down below where you can order yourself a shirt, help support the channel. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up as well. I'll continue to make videos to help you take care of your Cayenne. So with that, let's get back into this video. Let's go. The cabin air filter is located underneath the glove box. There's one little torque screw you got to take out. Pops that down. You're going to see where you can find the two screws. But we're going to go over all that right now and show you how to do this. Okay, got a 20-point bit right there. You can find it. There she is. There. Go ahead and we'll get this out. All right. There's that screw. Then that whole thing just pops down. Okay, once this comes down, you can kind of move it out of the way. You don't have to disconnect anything. This right here, there's a screw there and a screw there. That is where your filter is. All right, 5.5 should take those off. Okay, there's one. And then number two, right here. All right, we'll get this one out. And that whole door just drops down like that. Then you can reach inside here. All right, take your pick, reach up in there, kind of grab it and pull it down, and there she is. Ooh, look how dirty she is. All right, take her straight down and notice which direction that's facing. And we'll go ahead and pull it out. And she is out. All right, just a quick demonstration here. This is that new one. And notice up on top there it says airflow that way. That is the way it came directly out of the Cayenne. You can see airflow that way. You can see how dirty that is compared to that. I don't know if you can even see daylight through that compared to that. So let's go ahead and we'll trash this with the new one installed again with the airflow going straight up just like this. So see that side? That should go against there. This side should be facing you as you put it up into the Cayenne. Okay, here's our new filter. Remember the 3 pleats are going that way. You know that because on here, the little arrows are pointing this way. So it goes back in like so. Then just line it up into the hole. Fit it up in there. Up it goes. Go ahead and grab your cover and your screws, and we'll get this back in. Get it up in there. Good. Take our screw. Probably do this side first. All right, get it in there. A few threads. We'll take that other one. Cinch it in there. That goes in right here. Get those nice and snug. Then I'll just go ahead and tighten them down. You want it too tight, it is plastic. Just make them snug. Nice and tight on that one. Over here. Nice and tight on that. Then the same thing. We're just going to take this. We're going to put it back into place. Back up it goes. Go ahead and get that in there. Up and in. Get it screwed in there. Keep going. If you want, grab your ratchet. And again, you just want to make this snug. You don't need to be overly tight with it. All right, nice and tight. We're done. All right, guys, pretty simple job. Take you 5-10 minutes tops. You take the one screw out, drop down that panel, 2 more screws right there, lift down that old filter, put the new filter in, put it all back together. The tools you're going to need a new filter. There's a link down below for that filter. You're going to need a T20 torque bit. There's a link down below where you can get yourself one. The Cayennes use these a lot, so buy the whole set. That way you have everything you need. It's a worthwhile investment. And you're going to need a 5.5 millimeter socket for those little bolts that hold in the cover for the air filter. That's also linked down below. Cheap things to have on hand for your toolbox so you can do your own maintenance. Filter costs what, 20 bucks, couple more bucks for parts, you're done. Take it to the dealer, you're looking at 120 bucks to have them do what you just did, and you'll have the satisfaction knowing that you did it and you can take care of your Cayenne on your own. With that, guys, I'm going to wrap it up for another Cayenne Brotherhood video. If you liked it, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're a Cayenne owner or about to become a Cayenne owner and want to learn as much as you can about keeping your Cayenne alive for as long as you can, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time for another DIY video on how to keep your Cayenne alive. Until then, have a good one.